If you're looking to set up Folk CRM for your startup quickly, this video will walk you through everything you need to get started. I'll show you how to leverage Folk CRM's powerful features to streamline your customer relationship management. Perfect for startups looking for an easy and efficient system. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up. And I'll also share an exclusive offer to get started for free. First off, let's dive into Folk CRM's main interface. When you first log in, you'll see a clean dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your pipeline, recent activity, and any tasks you've got lined up. One of Folk's standout features is its ability to provide both a high-level overview and deep insights into your contacts and leads, making it ideal for startups that need a flexible and scalable solution. To start setting up, you'll want to create your first workspace. Think of workspaces like separate areas for different teams, clients, or projects. Start by naming your workspace and choosing the type of project or team it's for. This helps keep everything organized from the get-go. Now let's move to adding your first contact. You can do this manually or import them from other platforms like Gmail or LinkedIn. Folk CRM allows you to seamlessly integrate with these platforms, making it easy to import contact data without having to do it all by hand. You can also organize your contacts by creating lists, which is perfect for segmenting your audience based on different factors like location, industry, or interest. Once your contacts are in, you'll want to categorize them using Folk CRM's custom fields. This allows you to tag and segment contacts based on specific information that matters to your business. For example, if you're working with potential clients, you might tag them based on their interest level or deal stage. This level of customization is crucial for startups, as it helps keep your contacts organized and ensures you're targeting the right people with the right messages. Next, let's take a look at automating your workflows. Folk CRM makes it simple to set up automation for tasks like follow-ups, reminders, and emails. You can set up a series of automated emails that trigger based on certain actions, like when a contact is added or when a deal moves to a new stage. This is a game changer for startups because it saves time and ensures that important tasks don't slip through the cracks. The next key feature to explore is the pipeline management tool. This is where you can visually track the status of each deal or lead. Folk CRM offers a Kanban-style board that makes it easy to drag and drop items as they progress through different stages of your pipeline. Whether you're managing sales opportunities or client projects, this visual layout helps you stay on top of things and see at a glance where each deal stands. For those of you looking to dive deeper into data, Folk CRM provides analytics tools that help you measure performance, track KPIs, and get insights into your team's efficiency. Startups need to constantly monitor progress and optimize, and these analytics tools are key for understanding what's working and where adjustments need to be made. Finally, I want to mention one more feature that's invaluable for startups: team collaboration. Folk CRM allows you to collaborate with your team in real time, leave comments on individual contacts, and track your collective progress. It's a great way to keep everyone aligned and on the same page, especially if your team is remote or spread across different locations. And here's the best part. You can start using Folk CRM for free with our exclusive offer by clicking the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to the basic features, but we're also offering an extended free trial that lets you explore the software without any limitations. This is a great way to get a feel for how Folk CRM can work for your startup before committing to anything. To wrap up, Folk CRM is an incredibly user-friendly tool for startups that need a powerful, customizable CRM system without the steep learning curve. Whether it's managing contacts, automating workflows, or tracking deals, Folk CRM gives you everything you need to grow and succeed. Don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial and start optimizing your CRM system today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.